Ihatid nila natin sila sa bus stop. Go other way, Chad. Go, no, go the other way. Because it's, no, just get in here. It's so muddy that way. Ayan na yung kanilang bus, guys. Give me kiss. Mwah. Give me kiss, kuya. Mwah. Okay, be good, ha?
I will.
Okay, love. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Alright, go. Love you, guys. Usok yung sasakyan. Sobrang lamig ngayon. Uy, uy, uy. Bye-bye. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. So, ako naghatid sa kanila today kasi day off ng asawa ko. So, every day off ng asawa ko, ako yung naghahatid sa kanila sa bus stop. So, I don't know kung gising na siya or tulog pa siya. Kasi nung umalis kami sa bahay, tulog pa yung asawa ko. Kaya, baka tulog pa. I don't know. Hopefully, yung dalawang bagets tulog pa. So, I can go back to sleep. Dahil medyo masama yung aking pagkagising. Dahil masakit ang ulo ko. Dahil nabawasan nga kami ng 1 hour of sleep. Dapat ngayon pa lang is 5:39 na umaga. Hindi 6:39. At ang aga ng bus dumating, ha. Kasi normally kapag yung asawa ko yung naghahatid, tumatawag siya sa akin para to let me know kung nakapasok na ba nakasakay na ba sila sa bus, ganyan. Tumatawag siya sa akin around 6:40. So, and ang aga dumating ng bus. Nakakaloka. But yeah, uwi na tayo. Hopefully tulog pa yung dalawang bagets para makabalik tayo ng tulog. At talaga matutulog talaga ako dahil talagang kulang tayo sa tulog ngayon. Wait for summer dahil sobrang hanggang ngayon ang lamig pa rin. 26 degree tayo ngayon, guys. 26 degree. Nakakaluka. Hindi ko alam kung may babaka po sa hindi na kasi po. Yay. Lamig-lamig. 26 degree. Paluka. Mainit tayo. Ayan o, guys. 26 degree. Ang lamig. Ay, tignan nyo naman. Pakapapasok ko lang. Mga gising na pala sila.
I missed you.
You miss me?
Where did you go?
I went and drop up Kuya Char and Kuya Caleb to the bus stop.
Yeah.
Grabe kayong dalawa. Sabi ko pala matutulog ako eh. Ha?
You can't let me have it.
Okay. Huh? Oh, what now? Wala na.
I'm a fish.
Ipi-fish kita eh. Tutulog pa dapat ako eh. Ngayon hindi na makakatulog. Aga-aga.
This is my hat.
Aga-aga. You too. Why did you guys wake up so early? Oh, yung isa nakakover ng mata. Tawa, balik natin. Kukover niya ng mata niya. Oink. Troy, what are you doing? Turn up natin. Aywan ko sa inyong dalawa kayo. Kaaga-aga.
I got hats on, so we'll turn my head.
Okay.
So I got hat.
Mga early birds. Ayan, nakatambay na kami din eh. You holding hands?
Mommy and Birdie. Mommy and Birdie.
Mommy birdie.
Yeah.
Nakunatal yun.
Mommy, help me.
What?
You're holding my hand.
Oh, ito naman. Kuya, Troy's just holding your
Is it
hand.
raining?
Huh? What?
I thought it was raining.
No. Daddy's awake.
Are made from the ink machine and ocean.
You guys ready? Sissy!
Yeah.
Troy!
You
You got your purse. We're going to the basketball game.
No, wait, we forgot to sing. He's dancing. He's back on the scene. He's dancing on the scene. It's been a few years and tap your feet. Bring it in, folks, and drop that beat. Randy, the cartoon man.
Hello guys! Oh my gosh, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog this morning dahil sumama ang aking pakiramdam. As in, talagang yung pagkasabi ko kaganina na, Chad, stop it! Yung pagkasabi ko kaganina na masakit ang ulo ko, and totoo talaga siya.
Nasi Cuckoo.
So, kaya ngayon na lang ako ulit nag-vlog dahil talagang sumakit ang ulo ko. So, binigyan ako ng gamot ng asawa ko. Chad! Really? So, binigyan niya ako ng gamot. So, hopefully, hindi na ulit sumakit ang ulo ko ngayon. Pero if ever naman, meron naman akong gamot dito na Tylenol na iinumin ulit. Para, kasi talagang sumakit talaga yung ulo ko. Kasi nakala mo talaga na may pumupukpok sa ulo ko talaga. Siguro, because of lack of sleep din. Kaya talagang, ako. So, dito kami ngayon sa gas station. Ay, Chad, stop it! That's not nice.
You said it's nice?
That's not nice, I said.
You said it's nice.
No, it's not. Sit down and buckle up.
I am sitting.
No, sit down.
No.
Now! Sissy, you awake?
Hype it up. Hype it up.
So, andito kami sa gas station para bumili ng mga drinks ng mga bagets. And, yeah. So, kailangan nila kasi sa game, 5:45 kailangan na doon na sila para, I guess, mag-practice kahit konti lang. So, yeah. Today is their last day of game. Last day na nila ng game today. So, hopefully, manala sila para makapasok sila sa, sa playoff. Kasi once na manala sila today is, pasok sila sa playoff. So, ayan. Huh? Which one?
Oh, she wants the heater on.
You want the heater on? Oh. Dito na kami. Chad, calm down. Oh, aray ko. Why would you do that, baby? Yes, I know it was you. Yes. Alright, go. Go, go, go. Go. guys, start na. Get it! Shoot! Oh, man.
Natalia.
Ayan guys, panalo tayo! Woo! Panalo! Woo! Oh, ayan na.
Hi! Hi! We're back again! Mommy, McDonald's!
Guess who's back?
So look at the time guys, it's 7:34 and look, we still have some araw. No, you have to eat your food. Bibili tayo ng chicken, my dinner, daddy's dinner. Bili na lang tayo. Nag-eat sila ng McDonald's.
Hi!
Okay.
Alright, I'm so sorry about that. What can we start for you today?
Ayan guys, ready na sila for bed. Yes. Tulog na sila. Hi, good night. Good night. Good night.
Please, before beauty.
Alright. Alright, here we go. Good night. Blow kisses. Blow kisses. Ayan guys, ito ang aking dinner. We have chicken and gravy. Daddy's done. So kain tayo. Nanonood kami ng movie.